Hello everyone, my name is Rahul and I'm from Assam. I completed bachelor degree in computer science from CMT Guwahati in 2021, and after that I began searching for a job in Naukri, and I discovered about Evision Technoserve Pvt Ltd, and I joined full day online internship program where I gained real-time work experience in tending technologies such as basics of networking, virtualization, Windows, cybersecurity, and ITPL. And these all were modular taught by the highly skilled trainer at Evision. And thanks to their excellent guidance and support, and I successfully secured a placement at LTIMindtree and WNS Global with the package of 2.6, and highly recommended Evision for freshers for looking the career opportunity in the IT field. Thank you.